Hi, in front of me I have new Balance RunIQ, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 30 or 50%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. Of course, first thing you need to do is to turn on your watch or wake up the screen on it. To turn on the watch, simply press and hold the middle button, and to wake up the screen, simply tap on the screen or press the middle button. Once you wake up the screen or turn on your watch, you can swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the shortcut menu. Here, swipe left until you see the settings icon, and then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. Now scroll down, find the option called Unpair with Phone. Oh, my bad. Scroll down, Unpair with Phone, and tap on it. Now we have a warning that basically unpairing our watch from our phone will factory reset the device, and we will lose all of our data and settings from the watch. Then tap Confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the welcome screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.